Inside Kris Jenner's opulent Hidden Hills mansion, a look into the matriarch's designer sanctuary. Kris Jenner, the mastermind behind the Kardashian-Jenner empire, has always had a taste for the finer things in life. From orchestrating media empires to throwing lavish family parties, Kris lives large, and nowhere is that more evident than in her Hidden Hills, California mansion. Often seen as the beating heart of the Kardashian-Jenner family, this home is more than just a luxurious property. It's a carefully crafted reflection of Kris's personality. Elegant, powerful, grounded in tradition, and steeped in high-end design. A grand first impression. Nestled within the exclusive Hidden Hills community, Kris Jenner's home spans over 8,800 square feet on a 1.5-acre plot. From the moment you step into the home, the drama begins. The grand foyer sets the tone with its signature black and white checkerboard marble floors, soaring ceilings, and dual staircases that curve symmetrically toward the upper level. The visual symmetry and bold contrast immediately strike a balance between timeless sophistication and modern glamour. A vintage chandelier overhead casts warm light over the entryway, and the mood is instantly inviting, a delicate blend of hospitality and opulence. Living room. A masterclass in organic modern. The heart of Kris's home lies in her sprawling great room, a cozy yet elegant living area that embodies the organic modern aesthetic. Here, creamy neutrals dominate, from soft curved sofas to plush rugs and rich wooden accents. The color scheme is subtle. Beige, stone, and slate hues create a calming ambience, but the textures and sculptural pieces elevate the space beyond minimalism. A custom bronze fireplace stretches across one wall, acting as both a visual and emotional focal point. Artworks curated by world-renowned designers and artists hang tastefully throughout, showing Kris's dedication to aesthetics and detail. Every furniture piece, including modernist mid-century designs, is handpicked to complement the space while prioritizing comfort and function. A kitchen made for entertaining. The kitchen, much like Kris herself, is equal parts bold and refined. The black and white checkerboard tile theme flows into this space, grounding the room with continuity. Two large marble islands dominate the area, one for food prep and one for casual family gatherings. The sleek, dark cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the lighter marble counters, creating a look that's as functional as it is fashionable. Adjacent to the kitchen is a formal dining space, complete with an oversized custom table and clustered crystal chandeliers. Nearby, a cozier breakfast nook offers a more intimate atmosphere for casual meals. On the wall hangs a rare Yoshitomo Nara artwork, another nod to Kris's appreciation for contemporary art. The office and glam room. Kris Jenner is not just a businesswoman. She is the CEO of a billion-dollar family brand. Her office reflects that commanding presence. Mixing vintage furnishings with striking artwork, the space is layered with intention and professionalism. Dark woods, metallic accents, and curated decor communicate both power and taste. Not far from the office is her iconic glam room, an essential part of her daily routine. It includes everything from elegant vanity zones to dedicated wig storage and ample natural light. It's more than just a beauty space. It's a sanctuary where she prepares for both camera and company. Master bedroom and boutique-style closet. The master suite offers the ultimate escape. Designed with serenity in mind, it features plush textiles, soft lighting, and furniture that invites relaxation. But the real highlight, the closet. More of a boutique showroom than a traditional wardrobe, the master closet is separated into two main rooms. One section displays her impressive collection of Hermès Birkin bags, shoes, and accessories. The other is filled with luxurious clothes and rare pieces displayed as if in a museum. A mirrored ceiling and plush carpet make the space feel even more extravagant. There's no doubt that fashion plays a central role in Kris's life, and this space honors that commitment. Bathrooms as retreats. In true Kardashian fashion, the bathrooms are more spa retreat than utilitarian space. Clad in white marble with gold and chrome finishes, Kris's bathroom features a deep soaking tub, rain shower, and custom vanity spaces. Lighting is soft but abundant, and the floor plan flows effortlessly from the glam room to the closet to the bathroom, making her morning routine feel like a luxury experience every single day. Artistic flair and designer touches. Perhaps the most striking part of Kris Jenner's mansion is how every corner reflects an artistic sensibility. Pieces by Jean Prouve, Charlotte Perriand, Oscar Niemeyer, and other design legends fill the space with sculptural intrigue and subtle narratives. This isn't just about expensive taste. It's about understanding art and design as tools of emotional storytelling. The home was designed in collaboration with Waldo Fernandez and Clements Design, who ensured that every item had a purpose, every shape told a story, and every palette evoked calm and elegance. This harmony of form and function allows the home to feel warm and inviting despite its size and value. Outdoor living at its finest. No Californian estate is complete without a show-stopping backyard, and Kris's outdoor space is nothing short of a resort-style dream. The manicured grounds include an expansive pool with a built-in spa, surrounded by lush greenery, a stone fireplace lounge area, and several entertaining spaces. Whether hosting her famous Christmas Eve party or an intimate Sunday family brunch, Kris has the perfect setting. The backyard is designed not only for aesthetics but for practicality, ensuring that both adults and children in the family can enjoy the space. Holiday headquarters. Kris Jenner's home becomes the epicenter of Kardashian holiday traditions. During Christmas, the house is transformed into a wonderland of lights, oversized trees, handcrafted table settings, and glamorous seasonal decor. It's not just about celebration. It's about creating memories that last for generations. Saying goodbye. End of an era. In recent years, Kris put her Hidden Hills home up for sale, signaling perhaps the end of an iconic chapter in Kardashian family history. The home featured frequently on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, becoming nearly as recognizable as the stars themselves. While it may be time for Kris to move on to another lavish property, this home remains deeply tied to the public's perception of Kardashian-Jenner life, a symbol of success, family unity, and the unrelenting pursuit of excellence. Final thoughts. Kris Jenner's mansion isn't just a home, it's a personal brand come to life. Every detail speaks to who she is. Elegant, focused, family-driven, and business-savvy. It's a space where memories were made, careers were launched, and holidays were celebrated with unmatched flair. This home stands as a visual biography of Kris Jenner's journey, from momager to mogul. A sanctuary of luxury, warmth, and power, it reminds us all that behind every empire lies a woman who knew exactly how to build it, one room at a time.